Hello, it's Lucy here from the Walking Post website. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how to use the maps on our website and the walk information. So walks are all here. I'm going to choose this one. So there's some basic information at the top, distance, ascent, etc., average time. This is based on actual walking, not sitting down having a cup of tea or wandering about, getting lost or anything. Which obviously not going to happen. And then underneath, we've got every page has got an OS map embedded here, which you can zoom in and look at. It's also got start points. Some of them, like this one, have got marking where the woods are. This one marks where a car park is if you drive there. And it's also got shorter versions. This one you can download a shorter walk. How to get there by car, food and drink, things you might see, transport, because we're hoping that people generally travel by train to these, they're all planned that way, and toilet opportunities. Then there's some links here, so get full directions. Most of our maps have directions of how to walk the route. You can also download this, which comes with a little map there, which gives you a PDF. And then you can also download the GPX file, which has all the information of the walk on there, which can be uploaded to Apple Watches, Garmin, Strava and OSmaps. You can click to see the route straight on OSmaps, or you can click to see it straight on Strava, and there's more information here about how to use our maps. So have fun. Thank you.